Your awesome beach guide is here. Hey everyone, it's Eva. This summer we're saying hi to Spain's most amazing beaches. Whether you want adventure, a romantic getaway, or just some relaxing fun, Spain has it all. Get ready for sunny days, sparkling water, and memories you'll keep forever as we explore the top 10 beaches in Spain. Let's go. First stop, everyone, is the beautiful Playa de la Concha in San Sebastian. Imagine this. A perfect curve of golden sand between green hills, the gentle waves of the Bay of Biscay touching your toes. Take a relaxing walk along the walkway, drink some chacoli, the local wine, at a beach cafe, or just enjoy the sun. Next, we're going to the party place of the world, Ibiza, specifically the amazing Cala Comte. Get ready for turquoise water that's super pretty, a fun atmosphere full of energy, and of course the best beach parties ever. Relax on the rocks, enjoy the sun, and take a swim in the clear water to cool down. Find a comfy spot, grab a drink, and watch the sky turn into amazing colors. Want a little bit of the Caribbean without leaving Spain? Imagine a place where the sun kisses your skin, and the sea whispers sweet nothings in your ear. Then pack your bags, because we're going to Playa de Ses Islets in Formentera. This hidden gem is a slice of paradise right in the Mediterranean. This beach is like a dream, with its soft white sand, clear turquoise water, and a horizon that seems to stretch on forever. The calm feeling here will make you forget all your worries. It's the perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Imagine yourself here, relaxing on a beach chair, soaking up the sun, and feeling the warmth seep into your bones. A light breeze in your hair, carrying the scent of salt and sea, adding to the perfect ambiance. The only sound is the soft waves lapping against the shore, creating a symphony of peace and tranquility. And if you want to leave the beach for a bit, there's so much more to explore. Grab a snorkel and dive into the clear waters to explore the colorful underwater world, teeming with vibrant marine life. It's an adventure waiting to be discovered. Playa de Bologna. Tarifa ride the wind and waves, calling all adventurers. If you want a beach that's a little wild and a lot of fun, then Playa de Bologna in Tarifa is the place for you. This is where the Atlantic Ocean meets the Mediterranean Sea, making it perfect for windsurfing, kite surfing, and all sorts of water sports. And when you need a break, take a walk along the big sand dunes behind the beach. Cabo de Gata, Almeria natural beauty and Spanish charm. Let's go south now, everyone, to the naturally beautiful Cabo de Gata Natural Park in Almeria. Think of hidden beaches with clear water, big cliffs next to the sea, and a feeling of peace that's hard to find anywhere else. La Barceloneta, Barcelona city fun meets beach fun. Next, we're going to the exciting city of Barcelona. And what better way to have fun than at La Barceloneta, Barcelona's most famous beach? Swim in the Mediterranean Sea, get a tan, or play beach volleyball with your friends. Traveling with your family? Looking for the perfect destination to create unforgettable memories? Then Playa de Muro in Mallorca is perfect. This stunning beach offers something for everyone. This beach is like a giant playground for kids, and grown-ups who are kids at heart. Imagine endless hours of fun and laughter, with its soft white sand, shallow clear water, and lots of ways to have fun in the sun. Build sandcastles, play in the waves, or rent a paddle boat. The options are endless. And while the kids are busy making new friends and exploring, you can relax on a beach chair, have a cool drink, and soak up the sun. Enjoy the beautiful views of the Mediterranean Sea, and let the serene atmosphere wash over you. Playa de Muro is truly a paradise for families. Get ready to be amazed, everyone, because our next stop is really beautiful. Playa de las Catedrales in Galicia, also known as Beach of the Cathedrals, is something you won't forget. Imagine tall rocks made by the waves, arches high above the sand, and caves you can explore. Go when the tide is low to see these natural wonders. Get ready for some real Spanish fun, because we're going to Playa de la Victoria in Cadiz. This stunning beach is not just a favorite among locals, but also a hidden gem for tourists seeking an authentic Andalusian experience. This beach is a local favorite, and it's easy to see why. Families and friends gather here to relax, play, and soak up the sun. With its wide golden sand, bright blue water, and lively atmosphere, Playa de la Victoria is the perfect place to enjoy the sun, the cool breeze, and the real feeling of southern Spain. Whether you're sunbathing, swimming, or just taking in the festive vibe, there's something for everyone. And when you're hungry, go to one of the many beach bars along the walkway. These chiringuitos offer delicious seafood dishes and refreshing drinks, perfect for a day at the beach. Enjoy the local cuisine while watching the waves roll in. Last but not least, we're going to the island of Gran Canaria for something really special. Get ready to feel like you're in another world at Playa de Maspalomas, where big sand dunes meet the Atlantic Ocean. Spend the day exploring the dunes, ride a camel, or just relax on the beach and enjoy the views. So there you have it, everyone. 10 of Spain's most amazing beaches just waiting for you. Whether you want adventure, relaxation, or a little of both, Spain has something for everyone. Pack your swimsuit, grab your sunscreen, and get ready for an amazing summer adventure in Spain. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my travel tips, guides, and adventures.